LG 6.2 kilograms fully automatic top-loading washing machine, T7281 and VDLG, middle free silver. Smart inverter technology. Smart inverter is an energy-saving technology that eliminates wasted operation by efficiently controlling energy use. Its revolutionary waterproof motor doesn't corrode and is the most durable one in its league. Better washing with LG Smart Motion and Turbodrum. Smart Motion, combined with Turbodrum and precise smart inverter control, upgrades the way of washing and provides better performance. Smart diagnosis. If an error occurs, you can use the LG app or make a phone call to the LG service center. A diagnosis can then be made, resulting in less time wasted, less inconvenience and unnecessary visits. Tub clean. To sterilize the inner and outer tub for preventing unpleasant smell of tub. Jeans. Use when washing jeans of different sizes. Child lock. If you want to lock all the keys to prevent settings from being changed by a child. Punch +3 creates water streams in vertical direction which mix laundry up and down repeatedly for even washing result. Auto pre-wash. LG's Auto Pre-Wash is the easiest option to clear stain removal concern. With one touch, tough stains are ready to be gone. Let your hands free. Auto Restart. When a washing machine is turned off by a power failure, it will restart automatically from the position it stopped at, adjusting accordingly. Standby power save. Even if the power cord is plugged in, no power consumption by the machine on standby mode. Side waterfall. Side waterfall mixes detergent with water effectively and minimizes detergent residue. For more details, please visit the description. Click the subscribe and bell icon. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.